everyone, this is Jody, and today I'm planning in my Big Happy Planner for the week of February 18th through the 24th. And I covered up my sidebar here. It just has a lot of colors and stuff on it that I did not want to use, and the sticker paper worked well. I added two actually layers, so that worked out pretty good. And then I'm using this sticker sheet here. I kind of wanted to continue with the Valentine's Day theme, just to use up some stickers. And then also it came out of this book here. It's from the Paper Studio, and I love this book. It's one of my favorites. And it has all the months of the year. So you have one for each week, or your month at a glance, however you want to use it. And then I'm probably going to use some stickers out of this one again. And then I just have some functional stickers as well. I thought I was going to have to use my February sticker here, but I do have a February sticker on this one. It's right there at the top. So my washes that I'm going to use, I picked out quite a few actually this time. And it's this one here with the hearts. This one here to kind of bring in that purple. This one with the hearts too. It's the light pink with the rose gold from Simply Gilded. This one from Simply Gilded as well. And this one from Simply Gilded. I love all of these. And this one came in the, I think it was, I don't know if it was the January, I think the January sub box, and it has the bubble teas on it. I love this one. That's one of my favorites. And I picked out this one with the gold foiling bows as well from Simply Gilded. And then I just grabbed this in case I want to use it. It has kind of a light pink with red. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. so I went ahead and put it back in my planner. I punched the holes on the side to fit it back in. And I love how the color combination looks together. I like that there is a little bit of purple in this layout for Valentine's Day, which was last week, but I just kind of wanted to continue with that at least a couple weeks just to use up some stickers. And I really like how this turned out. And I'm going to be putting this clip here. And what I do is I flip back and forth to my month at a glance for work. And it's a cute little, reminds me of like a love letter with the heart in the center. So I like that. So that is it. I thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.